Think you know Windows? Discover the most underrated and insanely useful features of 2025. Let's crack open this digital treasure chest. 1. The new Snipping Tool Superpowers. Snipping Tool is no longer that shy kid in class. It just gotta glow up. Search for the Snipping Tool from the Start menu or press Win key plus Shift plus S. Click New, drag your snip. Boom, image captured. But here's where the magic happens. Click Text Actions. Snipping Tool now uses OCR, that's optical character recognition if you want to sound cool, to detect text in images. You can now literally copy text from images, job descriptions, memes, screenshots, even that blurry pic your boss sent from his phone. Need more? Go to Settings and Accessibility and tap Keyboard and find the option to toggle. Use the print screen key to open Snipping Tool. 1 key. Instant snip. Mic drop. Bonus trick. Press Windows plus Shift plus R. Welcome to screen recording mode. Pick a portion of the screen, enable audio or mic, and hit record. No third-party apps. No nonsense. 2. Notepad is now an AI writer? Yes, Notepad. The plain text app we all use to open .txt spam logs and random instructions is now packing AI firepower. Dark mode, because your eyes matter. Zoom in, out with Control plus mouse wheel. Like Google Docs, but retro. Automatic save, close Notepad. Come back, it remembers. Like a clingy X, but useful. AI writing tools. Click the Copilot icon and let the built-in AI rewrite your sentences. Longer, shorter, sassier, or formal. Who needs ChatGPT when Notepad's your wingman? But remember, it requires a subscription. Subscribe to know a turnaround for this hurdle. 3. PowerToys. The Swiss Army knife of Windows. Don't be misled by its name. PowerToys is not solely for tech enthusiasts. This free Microsoft application comes equipped with an impressive array of exceptionally handy tools designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Mac users have Spotlight. We have PowerToys Run. Hit Alt plus space and summon a sleek command bar where you can launch apps, search files, run quick calculations, or even Google something without lifting your hands off the keyboard. Press Windows plus Shift plus T on an image. Boom. It snatches the text from literally anything. Screenshots, scan notes, memes. Just paste it anywhere like magic. Your PDF just became editable. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, as there is so much more you can do with this one tool. 4. Microsoft Paint just got smart. Co-creator tool. Type in, island with a flamingo in a pool. Start sketching, and AI fills in the blanks using DALL-E 3, image creator. Just describe what you want. Paint spits out an AI-generated masterpiece. Remove background. Click Remove Background. It's like Photoshop, minus the monthly bills. Layers. Yup. You can now layer images like in Canva or Figma. Backgrounds, overlays, stickers, all in Paint. 5. Virtual desktops. Tab overload detox. Juggling 87 tabs and 12 apps? Create virtual desktops. One for work, one for Netflix, one for plotting world domination. Swipe with Ctrl plus Windows plus arrow to zoom between them like a productivity ninja. 6. Clipboard history. Windows V FTW. Still pasting one thing at a time? My friend, it's 2025. Copy multiple items, text, images, URLs, then hit Windows plus V instead of Control plus V. Boom, Clipboard history panel appears. You can pin, preview, and paste from your history without switching apps 20 times. Time saver level, 9,000. 7. Game bar, not just for gamers. Tap Windows plus G and open the Xbox game bar. Sure, it's great for gamers, but you can record your screen, monitor performance, control audio, and even add Spotify. All from this slick overlay. Not gaming? Still perfect for recording tutorials or meetings. Or catching your cat's surprise laptop attack. 8. Editing PDFs in Microsoft Edge. Adobe? Who? You can now open, annotate, and even sign PDFs right inside Microsoft Edge. Highlight text, Draw or scribble add typed content. Save all changes directly. You don't need extra software. Edge is now your lazy PDF editor that gets the job done. 9. Talk, don't type. Feeling too lazy to type? You're not alone. Simply press Windows plus H and transform your PC into your very own personal secretary. With this handy feature, you can effortlessly dictate emails, jot down notes, or even vent your frustrations in a passionate rant, all while it transcribes your words into text. 10. Focus sessions in Clock app. Need to concentrate but have the attention span of a squirrel? Open the Clock app. Hit Focus Sessions, set a timer, and boom, deep work mode activated. Bonus, it connects to Spotify if you need those study beats. 11. GodMode folder, the hidden control panel. Unlocking the hidden master control of Windows is easier than you might think. Simply create a new folder and rename it using a special code that will be provided in the description. Once you do this, you'll be greeted with the fascinating world of GodMode, a secret dashboard that unveils a treasure trove of settings and features you never even knew existed. Prepare to explore and customize your Windows experience like never before. Bonus tip: boost your startup time. If your computer lingers in the boot-up process longer than it takes for your coffee to brew, consider trying this. Search Startup Apps. Toggle off apps you don't need right away. Looking at you, Xbox app. Your boot time will thank you. There you have it. Windows features that actually make a difference. Drop your favorite hidden gems in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.